Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and today's workout. Today we're working on the core. We're not wasting any time. We're starting in 10 seconds. Preview is on the left side of your screen, my right. Clock is on this wall right here. We are starting off with cross body swings. Grab your kettlebell, all your dumbbell, and let's go in 2, 1, and let's go. 45 seconds on today, 15 seconds off. Find a weight that is challenging for you for those 45 seconds. If you can only go 40 seconds, you get extra 5 seconds of rest. We're doing this for 45 and 15, like I said. Let's get moving. Challenge yourself. That's the whole entire point of these workouts. You're not just supposed to be swinging a weight that's maybe 2 pounds that you can swing for 2 hours. You find a weight that is hard to do, and you're gonna work with me. Let's go. 13 seconds left. We'll take a 15-second break. Switch sides. Swing across that body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Shake it out. This entire workout is 10 minutes long, 10 minutes of twisting, difficult core exercises, right? All right, 5 seconds. Grab that dumbbell or kettlebell. This is easier with a kettlebell for me. 2, 1, and let's go. Swing. Bring the weight up quickly. Boom. Cross the body. Catch it, push it back, and bring it and push it back. 30 seconds left. Keep it up. If you hear me struggling, it's because I'm working with you guys. There's nothing like doing that. There's nothing like working with you. I've been on here for 5 years, and every single one of those workouts, I have been working with you. This is not for show. This is our actual workouts. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax for a few seconds. Fix this microphone today. It's going to be all over the place. These swinging workouts. All right, we're moving on to halos. Grab that bell. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Around, down, around, and down. You guys notice we are doing a lot of twisting today. Now why? Because we do these kind of moves. Not these kind of moves in everyday life, but we twist from left to right, up and down, and diagonally. Not everything is always in one plane. This is what we're focusing on. Bring it around. Boom. Boom. 5 seconds. 2, 1. You're getting down on the ground. From some kneeling presses. 45 seconds might be tough. This weight might be a little heavy for these, but it's okay. Like I said, you just get an extra break. If I don't make it, I don't make it. It's all right. Nice and straight, good posture. Clean press. Now, focus on staying straight on this one. Fight that weight fighting you. Keep it up. There you go. Stay with me. 20 seconds left. I'm gonna try to make it all the way through, but I have to pace myself. Less than 10 seconds. 5 seconds, let's do one more. 2, 1, and loss of balance at the end. Core couldn't keep up. All right, switching sides. Same thing. Yes, I'm holding onto the microphone. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. If it does, the sound will go to hell. Oh well. 3, 2, 1, let's go. You know what? I gotta flip my watch. I'm sorry about that. I'll do one last rep. Keep it up. Straight up. Keep everything tight. 20 seconds or so left. Ten seconds. 2, 1. Weight down. Watch back. All right, we're staying on the ground, I believe, for the rest of these exercises. All right, moving on to Russian twists with a little press in between. Grab that kettlebell, legs up in the air, twist, boom, up, down, twist, center, up. There we go. Twist, center, up, twist. Whew. Keep it up. Twist. Less than 20. You notice I'm talking less because I'm tired. Probably some of you are like, about time. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Last press. Stay right down here on the ground. Get into your plank position. We're gonna be dragging that kettlebell back and forth from the plank. Short rest, a lot of work. 3, 2, 1, and drag. And drag. There you go. Keep it up. Keep that plank as tight as you can. What do we got left on time? 20 seconds. Keep moving. Nice 10-minute workout. Come on. Three, 2, 1. Whew. Hey, we started with the plank. Let's continue the plank. Now we're going to drag back and forth. Same concept. Back and forth. Nice and easy. 2, 1. Bring it back. Switch hands. Bring it up. Switch hands. Back. Hands. Up. Somewhere in the midway point, I'm going to switch hands. So I'm dragging back with my left hand and bring it up with my right hand. Stuff this way around. All right, I'm gonna switch hands. So left goes down, right comes up, left goes down, there we go. Right comes up, a little more than 10 seconds left, keep going. Three, 2, 1, last one, and we are done. Whew. All right, moving on to the old sit-up, guys. Love them sit-ups. 5 seconds, let's get ready. Grab your weight, sit down, and up, and control. Up, there we go. Up, down. Almost done. Keep it up. Ten seconds. Let's go. One more. 2, and weight down. All right, finish up some leg raises. Kettlebell is gonna be purely for counterbalancing purposes. Microphone's gonna slip into my chin, so the sound might be screwed up. I apologize in advance. Time's up, let's go. Up and up. Down and up. Down. Here we go. This is the last exercise. We got this. 25 seconds left. Keep it up. Control. Don't let those legs flop down. Nice and easy. 12 seconds, 10 seconds. Couple more. 1. And 2, and we roll out. Perfect timing. Guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. I probably haven't even introduced myself. My name is Paul. Like I said, this is Fit After 50. Workouts come out every Monday and every Thursday for 5 years now. I believe there's 600 workouts or so on this channel alone. Never missed an upload. I'm consistent. I expect you to be consistent. I'll see you guys during the next workout.